Fine Poetry, Poems of John Clare. Autumn Birds. The wild duck startles like a sudden thought, and heron slow as if it might be caught. The flopping crows on weary wings go by, and grey-beard jackdaws noising as they fly. The crowds of starnels whiz and hurry by, and darken like a cloud the evening sky. The larks like thunder rise, and sooty round, then drop and nestle in the stubble ground. The wild swan hurries height and noises loud, with white neck peering to the evening cloud. The weary rooks to distant woods are gone. With lengths of tail the magpie winnows on, to neighboring tree, and leaves the distant crow, while small birds nestle in the edge below.